I might try running some of this rainbow poplar through the molder today. See how it looks. It looks like a good one, got a lot of color in it. Right at 8 inches on the width. See, other than this real big nasty knot right there, it looks like a pretty good board. I don't see any other large knots besides that one. It does go all the way through. This will probably fly out at some point. Depends on how many passes we make through the molder. Get the lid shut. I'm only going to clean up the bottom and the top faces. I'm not doing the sides. I just want to see what this color looks like on this board. Welcome back to the sawmill. We've got a white pine on here. I believe just over 8 foot, 97 inches. That's what we want right there, 8 foot boards. Diameter on the operator's side, 20 inches. Pretty good sized log right here. Do have a lot of knot clusters. This came from a tree service, a residential area, so that means a lot of knots right here. That's just the way it goes with white pine in this area. Even yellow pine, when you do see it, it usually grows in people's yards, so therefore you have lots of knots. Up in the higher elevations over North Carolina, they have a lot better pine. It grows nice and tall and straight. These grow nice and tall and straight, but those are in dense forest. So therefore, that don't sound right. So those are in a dense forest. Therefore, they have more of an opportunity to all right, I'm going to try this one more time. They grow in a dense forest, therefore they have a better opportunity to grow correctly and have to fight for sunlight. Therefore, they have limited limbs on the bottom, so you have nice clear logs. There, I got it out that time. Tell you what, guys, I struggle sometimes trying to explain this stuff on camera. Never fails. Real fast, somebody was asking me in the past few videos why sometimes this LT70 I bring the boards back and sometimes I don't. When I don't bring the boards back, it's usually because there's a camera in the way. When I'm making these videos, friends, up here at the sawmill, Sometimes I have two cameras over here, one in the middle and one back here at the operator's side. There's tripods everywhere. It's a mess in here, guys. If you guys saw me making these videos, you would laugh at all the cameras and how I run around to every one of them, making sure everything's lined up correctly. But that's why I don't bring the boards back every time. If the camera is out of the way, I bring them back. But if I got tripods back here, these cameras are extremely expensive. I don't want to knock them over. So that's why I don't bring them back every time. On the Sawmill, friends, I'm running the Joe Maine Silvertip Turbo 7. If you want those saw blades, guys, give Joe a call. His cell phone number is down the video description. And also that rainbow poplar that we ran on the motor this morning, if you're interested in that poplar, I got some on my Etsy store, but it may be gone by the time this video comes out. I sold 2 packs already. Hopefully there's some left, but I don't know if there will be or not. And if you're local to me, I'm in Northeast Tennessee, and you're looking to buy a good amount of that poplar, or you want 8-foot boards and you can drive to this area, give Eric Cannon a phone call. He's about 45 minutes to an hour from here. He works at another sawmill and he's got tons of rainbow poplar up there. And his cell phone number is down the video description. So guys, we're going to cut this into 4/4 material. This is more shiplap stock for the barn. I think I'll work this down to probably a 1x10 maybe and cut our boards and get our jackets off around the outside of the log and edge those later. I think I covered about everything. Oh yeah. One more thing here. Everybody on Patreon, really appreciate you guys. Thank you all for supporting me. It means a lot. It really helps to keep these cameras going. You guys hang in there and see what this pine's got to offer. It may be a decent log. All right, friends, I got no excuses. That does happen sometimes on these Wood-Mizers. I hit the wrong button, I wasn't paying attention, and I flipped the log the wrong way. That does happen sometimes. It's happened to me more than once, but to be honest with you, it's the first time it's ever happened on this Super 70. I've never done it before on the 70, but it's not the first time I've done it, and it probably won't be the last. But I'm trying to keep it real here on this channel. If I make a mistake, I'll share it with you guys. So we got this squared up. I'll probably take 2 cuts off the top and 2 more cuts off the bottom, and that'll give us our 10-inch cant. Then I'll set that thing on cruise control with the AccuSet on 4/4. We'll plow through these guys and finish strong here. You guys hang in there. We're about done. I don't know why I'm talking about finishing strong. This ain't a ball game. My goodness. You guys know what I mean. Let's get this finished and call it a night.